Hey, what's going on, guys? In just a few hours, I'm going to be starting off the live stream charity event where I'm going to be building the Perfect Grade Strike and doing some other fun stuff with you while we're trying to raise some money for the World Wildlife Fund Australia to help with the natural wildlife there in Australia in the wake of the bushfires there. So if you missed my last video, I talked more about kind of what we're doing, what the plan is, and just all that stuff. And also, if you guys want to check the description box down below, there's a link to the charity page there also. So the live stream is going to be starting off pretty soon, but there's a few things that I wanted to let you guys know about first, some other additions to what's going to be going on and what's at stake here. So as I told you in the last video, guys, there's going to be 3 Master Grade Faz Verkaz, and also just want to remind you guys again that the money numbers you see on the charity page and everything is all in Australian dollars, so just keep that in mind. Anyway, so we have some additions to that. We have some additional prizes that have been added, so I want to let you guys know about those. But again, just first off, thank you to USA Gundam Store and Hobbyco there in Australia for donating the Master Grade Faz kits for that. We also have the addition of a RG Talgis EW kit that was donated by someone who wished to remain anonymous. So thank you. You know who you are. Thank you for your donation. And so that'll be one of the prizes we'll give away, RG Talgis EW. And then also from my good buddy Alex. You guys should check out his channel, Alex Doof Studios. I'll put the link down below. If you guys especially like to see videos around touring different shops and stuff there in Japan, he's made a ton of those, so I definitely recommend checking those out. Anyway, he also donated the Master Grade Sazabi Verka and also the Master Grade Psycho Zaku Verka, 2 also really huge kits, and also a third kit he donated was the RG Sazabi, but the clear color version of that, so a limited exclusive version of the RG Sazabi as well. So 3 really awesome, massive kits that Alex is donating, so big thank you to him. Now, a couple of things I wanted to let you guys know about too. Also, I got the t-shirts ready, so there's going to be t-shirts for sale on my site, on my merch store. The link is down below as well in the video description. You guys can check that out right now if you want, or buy it tomorrow, whatever. Anyway, the shirts are only going to be on there until March 31st, so the charity only goes until March 31st. Obviously the live stream will be like kind of the main event, but if you guys want to donate later or something, you can buy the t-shirts later as well until March 31st, and then they're going to be gone. That's it. It's just for a limited time. You guys will be able to buy these shirts, and they're special shirts specifically for this occasion, and all of the profits from them is going to be going to the World Wildlife Fund Australia. So once they're all sold at the end of the month, I'll check how much that was, and I'll just donate that under my name just for myself. But so the idea to add a t-shirt came kind of late, so I just had the idea, and then I thought of a cool idea of what I wanted to do, but among like getting rid of everything else, I didn't really have time to put the artwork together for myself, so I reached out online if anyone could help make some artwork, and a few people replied back, and a few people were awesome enough to give some of their time to make up a rough draft sketch of what I wanted. So I just want to say thank you first to a few of the people who did make some artwork for me, but ultimately I had to choose one of them, but also just want to thank Ben, and also any of these guys who'd let me know their Instagram accounts. I'll also put links down below, so if you guys would be kind enough to check out the Instagram pages of a few of these people who did do some of this artwork for me. Great artists, but I had to choose one. So Ben, I wanted to say thank you to Ben, also Nino, Kevin as well. Here, Gundam Yatham on Instagram as well here, SRJM, sorry, I don't know his actual full name, that's his Instagram handle, and also, let's see here, Nickel Models as well, so did some great artwork as well. So the artwork that I ended up using, the artwork that I did end up choosing, was from Lynx53 Designs. Some of you, if you don't know Lynx's Instagram page already, you should follow it, but you probably have already seen his artwork before. I know he's done artwork for USA Gundam Store. He does the Apex artwork for USA Gundam Store, and then he also, I know, has done work for, I think, SCGMC and also Tim, Child of Mecha. He's done their artwork for them as well. So he does very reasonably priced commission work on there, I know, from what I've heard from people, and so he also just was willing to help out with this contest and do a really awesome sketch. So here is the artwork. I'll show it to you guys here. Here is the artwork for the t-shirts that we're going to be using. So we're going to have the t-shirts in 3 different colors, white, black, and like army color. So those should be pretty cool. Hopefully there's a color in there that you guys like if you're interested in having a t-shirt. So again, if you want, pick up one of these t-shirts. It's going to be a limited thing. What I wanted to do, and as you can see there, it's the Strike Gundam, the Perfect Strike Gundam, but the Strike is obviously replaced with a kangaroo, obviously because it's for Australia. So that'll be the artwork on the back of the shirt, and then on the front of the shirt we'll have it's just a little like outline of Australia with the title in there, the modelers rebuilding Australian wildlife. There you go. Not exactly the most simple name, I guess, but it was just something that I came up with anyway. The name is not that important anyway. The cause is what's important, right? So yeah, if you guys want to get a cool shirt there and just to support our friends in Australia, support the animals there in Australia, obviously, and also just like I said, check out the links to the artists' pages there down below and show them some support as well, because they stepped up and offered to make some artwork and offered to help out with this. So I'm really appreciative to all of them. Thank you guys all so much for that. And the last thing I want to add as well, speaking of Apex, the mascot character for USA Gundam store, we did also have a kind of custom version of that. So here you go. It's a mix of Apex with the World Wildlife Fund panda motif going on in that as well. And so this will also be an incentive. Anyone during this event who donates more than $5, you can get one of these stickers. So just make sure when you donate, give your address. And then also take a screenshot or something so that you can let us know. And I should have records of that, I think. I'm actually not sure because this is my first time using the page. So I think how it works is that, you know, I'll have a record of all the donations and everyone who provides their addresses. I'll have everyone's name and addresses already, but just in case that's not the case, maybe if you want, you know, take a screenshot of your donation when you donate, just so you have that on file so you can prove it later. So if I don't have that information, then what I'll do is I'll just ask you guys all to just send your address and a screenshot of your donation to either me or to Adam at USA Gundam Store, and then we'll process all that, get your guys' addresses off you, and then send out the stickers to everyone. So we're gonna have these really cool stickers available for you guys, not for sale. Not really for sale. There's no profits. You know, all the profits is still going to the World Wildlife Fund. So your donations, none of that is actually going for paying for the stickers. Technically, it's just an incentive for people. So that was just offered from USA Gundam Store. So big thank you to Adam for that, for, you know, willing to get the stickers printed up and willing to send all those out to everyone who donates. So if you want a cool sticker, it's just another reason to donate. You can get just a little something back as well. And so that is it for the updates I wanted to let you guys know about for now. I think that's kind of everything. We got additional prizes. We got the t-shirt available. We got some stickers you guys can get. So hopefully there's some cool stuff that'll get you guys excited as well, just to watch and hang out during the stream. So it's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to it. I am going to now go to bed, get some rest, because then it's going to be an early start for me, and then just doing all this stuff tomorrow is going to be fun. So I'll see you guys there. Bye, guys.